Most drivers never notice the danger hiding right beneath them until the damage is done. Because suspension problems don't knock, don't warn, don't scream. They drain your wallet quietly and put your safety on the line even faster. But today, you're going to flip the script. I'm about to show you 15 simple habits that can keep your suspension strong, safe, and smooth. Habits that could save you thousands and protect your car from the roads trying to destroy it. And trust me, tip number 15 could have prevented some of the most expensive failures I've ever seen. And hey, if you love car tips like this, hit subscribe right now. Let's get started. Tip 1. Let the suspension breathe before the bump. Here's the mistake almost every driver makes. They stay on the brakes right as they hit a pothole. It feels harmless, but it's like forcing your suspension to take a punch while already kneeling. When you brake, your car dumps hundreds of pounds of weight onto the front wheels. The springs compress, the travel disappears, and the suspension has nowhere left to go when the tire drops into a hole. That's when the hit becomes violent. Impact forces can spike hard enough to bend rims, shear bushings, and even trip sensors, turning one tiny pothole into a $600 disaster. But the fix? Elegant and easy. Lift off the brake a moment before the bump. Give your suspension that breath of travel it needs. Let it absorb the hit instead of collapsing under it. Tip 2. Replace your old bump stops. Think of bump stops as tiny bodyguards for your suspension, cheap rubber blocks that take the hit when your car bottoms out. When they're gone, the force travels straight into the struts, the control arms, even the chassis. One hard bottom out can mushroom metal or blow a strut seal. And here's the problem, most bump stops rot away quietly around 60 to 80,000 miles. No warnings, no lights, just dull thunks, weird front end noises, and hidden damage. Whenever your struts are out, replace the bump stops. They cost next to nothing. And protect parts worth 15 times more. Tip number 3, grease suspension. Joints regularly. There's a tiny joint under your car that decides whether your wheel stays where it belongs. Ball joints and tie rods. They live inches from water, grit, salt, and everything that destroys rubber boots. When the boot cracks, dirt mixes with old grease and turns into grinding paste. Metal eats metal, and once that starts, the failure is fast. Catastrophically fast. But if your car has grease fittings, you're lucky. One squeeze of a $20 grease gun flushes the dirt out and gives those joints new life. That's why pro fleets get 200,000 miles out of suspensions that should have died long ago. Number 4, mist. Your suspension. Before winter. Winter roads don't just get salty, they get brined. And that chemical spray eats steel like acid. Springs snap. Bolts weld themselves in place. Control arms rust from the inside out. A $10 bolt becomes a $1,800 nightmare when it breaks during repair. Every fall, coat your coil springs, control arms, and its suspension bolts with a rust inhibitor like fluid film or WD-40's corrosion protection. It creeps, it seals. It saves you from the rust no one sees until the damage is already done. Tip number 5, treat your rubber before it cracks. Metal gets the attention. Rubber does the heavy lifting. Bushings, boots, sway bar links, steering seals. They all suffer quietly as heat, sun, salt, and ozone dry them out. A $10 bushing can destroy a $500 steering rack if it fails at the wrong moment. Twice a year, wipe exposed rubber with a rubber-safe rejuvenator like 205 plasticizer. Not oil, not WD-40, a proper conditioner that pulls life back into the rubber. It's simple maintenance that can double the lifespan of parts shops love replacing. Number 6, check ride height at every oil change. Springs don't break all at once, they slowly sag. And even half an inch of drop can throw your alignment off just enough to ruin tires in a few thousand miles. Every season, measure the distance from the wheel center to the fender arch. Record it. A corner that dips more than a quarter inch? That's a silent warning your springs are aging or failing. A 2-minute check can save $700 worth of tires and months of headaches. Tip number 7, swap shocks before they beg. Old shocks don't shout, they whisper. A floaty ride. A nosedive during braking. A faint bounce after bumps, and at 50 to 60,000 miles, worn shocks silently add up to 25 feet to your stopping distance. Your car might survive that, you might not. Replace all 4 dampers proactively. not when they leak, not when they clunk, before they become the weak link that destroys your ride quality, your tires, and your safety. Tip number 8, tighten suspension when bolts with the car on the ground. If suspension bolts are tightened while the wheels hang in the air, the rubber bushings get twisted into a position they were never meant to hold. You drive away with pre-stressed bushings. They squeak, wear out early, and even throw off alignment. Some cars even sit crooked because of this. Always torque those bolts at ride height. It's a 10-minute correction that saves years of bushing life. Number 9, support the suspension during long storage. When a car sits for months with its wheels hanging, the suspension bushings stay twisted the whole time. Rubber isn't meant to hold tension like that. It dries out, cracks internally, and fails early. That's why museums and pro fleets always place blocks under control arms or axles during storage. It keeps the suspension in its natural position and prevents $1,600 worth of hidden damage most owners never see coming. Tip number 10, get rid of ultra-low profile tires. Big rims, thin tires, they look incredible, and quietly destroy everything underneath. That tiny sidewall can absorb impact, so every bump gets transferred directly to your struts, bushings, and bearings. Shops see the results all the time. Leaking shocks at 40,000, cracked bushings, worn out bearings that howl before they fail. Stay close to factory wheel specs. If you go bigger, keep your tire sidewalls at 45 series or higher. Your suspension will thank you. Your wallet will too. Tip number 11, replace suspension. Parts in pairs. Replacing only one shock, one strut, or one spring creates a mismatch. The fresh side is stiff, fast, and responsive. The old side is soft, slow, and sagging. Your car drifts, bounces, and cups its tires. The new part overworks itself to compensate and often fails early. Replacing parts in pairs isn't a money grab. It's how you keep your suspension balanced, safe, and long-lasting. Number 12, fix that little leak before it kills your suspension. A tiny drip of engine oil or power steering fluid can destroy a bushing faster than miles ever will. These fluids soften rubber at high temperatures. Within weeks, a perfect bushing can turn to mush, letting joints shift and metal grind. The result? Mystery clunks, crooked alignments, prematurely worn tires, and hundreds of dollars in repairs. Fix leaks early, clean the area with brake cleaner, wipe down the arms at every oil change. Stopping the drip is cheaper than fixing the damage it creates. Tip number 13. Don't turn the steering wheel to full lock. That little humming or clunk when you max out your steering. That's your CV joint begging for mercy. Full lock forces the joint into extreme angles. Boots stretch, grease thins. Cold weather makes the rubber brittle. One tight parking lot turn can split a boot wide open. Back off the steering wheel by one spoke. Just one. It reduces strain dramatically and can save you from $2,000 in axle and sensor repairs. Number 14, touch up chipped spring paint. A chipped spring isn't a cosmetic problem, it's a countdown. Bare steel rusts quickly, especially in salty climates. Rust eats the coil from the inside until one day says snap. And springs don't just break, they often puncture the tire sitting right next to them. Clean the chip, treat it with rust converter, and repaint it. Slide on a protective sleeve for bonus protection. A $10 touch-up beats a $400 spring job, and a shredded tire every single time. 15. Drive your car monthly to keep the suspension alive. Letting a car sit still sounds harmless, but suspension parts hate being frozen in one position. Bushings dry out, springs lose tension, shock seals harden and leak. Even low-mileage cars develop rear-end droop and squeaks from staying parked too long. Take the car out once a month for 10 to 15 miles. Let the rubber flex. Let the seals lubricate. Let the suspension move. Idling doesn't count. Suspension needs motion, not warmth. A short drive now prevents the kind of repairs drivers never see coming until it's too late. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe. Because knowing before something breaks is the real secret to keeping your car reliable, and we bring that to you every single day.